Never underestimate the power of dramatic looks, and that's what we are going to recreate today. Today we are doing red lips, and this is Kendall Jenner. I was inspired doing this look by her. If you don't know her, she's Kim Kardashian's youngest sister. So let's get right into this. So the first thing that I will be using is my Last Splash eye primer. If there's any other eye primers that you guys are aware of, please leave a comment down below because I'm looking for a new one. Yep, I'm actually planning to buy a MAC paint pot, so never mind. So I'll buy that as well. So yep, just apply your eye primer and just let it set. And next thing I'm going to be using is a CoverGirl's palette, and I'm using the shade Golden. I have actually applied some water on my brush, and then I applied the eyeshadow so there's no fallout on my face, and it actually gives you a really nice look if you apply it with a wet brush. Next thing I'm going to be doing is use this Revlon Shimmer Bricks, and I'm using the lightest brown shade to blend my golden eyeshadow, and then you're just going to work and blend it. Next thing I'm going to be doing is using the darkest shade of that of the Revlon Shimmer Bricks, and then you're just going to create a dramatic transition shade. If you want, you can create a smoky eye. Instead of browns, you can use black and brown, so it will create a really nice smoky eye, but I didn't want it to be really dramatic. So after the eyeshadow dried, it looked a little low on gold, so I reapplied the gold, and now I will be using this yellow shade from the Shimmer Bricks in Revlon and just apply that over my brow bone to highlight that. Now I will be using Maybelline's Eye Studio or Dramatic Studio, something like that eyeliner, and she had a really nice winged eyeliner, and that's what I created, winged eyeliner. And the brush that I used is not a normal eyeliner brush, it's actually a paint brush, and I got that only for 20 rupees, and that's only 20 INR. That probably might be a quarter in US. And this is the best brush to work with because the bristles are really soft and you have more control over it. I don't know, I like this brush, so I bought it, and then I'm using it, and it's very easy to work with, as you can see. So yeah, the next thing I will be doing is using Miss Claire's, and I'm going to be lining my waterline, and I will also tight line, because if you're not perfect with eyeliner, you can use this and cover all the spaces that you have in your tight line. Though I don't have any spaces, but I just wanted to have a really nice look, like a doll eye effect, so you can tight line as well for this. Next I will be using a Lakme Iconic mascara just to set my falsies. Yes, I will be applying falsies again, and I'm pretty good at it now. So that's my look with falsies. I hope you like it. You can wear this look for wedding or for clubbing as well. So yep, now we're gonna work with my face, and as usual I will be using my Neutrogena Fine Fairness cream and Modi Care's Silk Base, that is the face primer. So leave a comment down below if you want to see a foundation routine, because I already have one, but I'll still upload one if you want to see that. Just the foundation and nothing else. So yeah, just leave a comment down below. Now I will be using this Dermacolor Camouflage cream, and you can use this as a foundation, as a concealer, or as a highlighter. Doesn't matter, you have 3 in 1. So I'm using this as a highlighter and a concealer, so I'm just gonna buff that in under my eye because I do have dark circles right now. Yeah, not good, it's ugly. So I'm going to put that on the bridge of my nose as well, just to highlight that area of my face. Now I'll be using NW42 MAC pressed powder to set my foundation. And yes, just setting it, set it. Next I will be using ELF contour powder, that is the bronzer slash bronzer. And if you notice, I do have a double chin, but I covered in photographs by doing contouring, like heavy contouring on my jawline. So you'll see in the further pictures that you can barely see my double chin because I have contoured it really nicely. If you do have a double chin, just go look at it. Next I'll be using Faces what is that, lipstick in the shade 8, I believe. This is the new lipstick which I bought, and I will be soon doing a review on this because it works amazing. Next, finally, I'll be taking my Revlon Shimmer Bricks, and I'm just gonna apply this on the top of my cheeks just to highlight that area, Cupid's bow, down the bridge of my nose and forehead. So that's done, and we're done with the look. You can do it as dramatic as you'd like, but I just wanted to keep it a little simple. So yeah, I just hope you like this look. Leave the comment down below if you like it, if you want me to make any changes in these. And if you do recreate this look, you can post it on my Facebook. I have a Facebook, you guys, finally. So this is what the picture looks like. So yep, until next time, I'll see you guys soon.